Hi, welcome to Vietnam. My name is Anh and I'm a project coordinator of PMGY Vietnam. And let me show you the accommodation. Come on. So here is our welcoming area. Here is a sofa so you can relax with your friend, and also the printer for if you want to print out any document for your project. The staff will usually work here, and we will also help you with planning your weekend trip in Vietnam, and there would be member staff here 24/7. Welcome to the meeting room. This is used to plan your English lesson, or you can call your friends and families. We have Wi-Fi in the whole accommodation. Here is the place that our amazing nannies cooks 3 meals a day for you: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We have filtered drinking water here and the volunteer fridge. Let me show you the common area where our volunteers usually come and relax, chill out. It's open 24/7 for you. So here are our bathrooms, and we have 3 floors that are bathrooms. So in this room we have 4 or 6 beds, and you would share it with other volunteers. And we have locker space, we have wardrobe, we have air conditioning. In each and every floor we have bathroom which you can share with other volunteers. And in the bathroom we have flushing toilets, shower with hot water, sink, and also shelf for you to put on your toiletries. Thank you for joining us with the accommodation tour. I hope this gets you excited for your trip in Vietnam, and I hope to see you soon. Tạm biệt, bye bye.